Go.
This bootcamp project has been created by the rocket boosters consisting of Aashutosh and Jaza on the topic of environment rocket fuel. Introduction. What fuels do rockets currently use? How does it impact the environment? What fuels should we use instead? What solutions can we introduce? What is the problem? How does rocket fuel affect the environment? Space launches can have a hefty carbon footprint due to the burning of solid rocket fuels. Many rockets are, however, propelled by liquid hydrogen fuel, which produces clean water vapor exhaust. Although the production of hydrogen itself can cause significant carbon emissions, rocket engines release trace gases into the upper atmosphere that contribute to ozone depletion, as well as particles of soot. Rocket engines emit reactive gases that cause ozone molecules to break apart. What are the different types of rocket fuel that can cause these harmful changes to the environment? Typical fuels include kerosene, alcohol, hydrazine, and its derivatives, and liquid hydrogen. Many others have been tested and used. Oxidizers include nitric acid, nitrogen tetroxide, liquid oxygen, and liquid fluorine. On to you, Ashutosh.
Thank you, Jaza. So the different types of rocket engines used and its emissions are solid rocket booster. Its emissions are aluminum oxide, soot, carbon dioxide, hydrogen chloride, nitrogen oxides, hydrogen and other trace gases. Methane or methalox rocket engine and its emissions are carbon dioxide, water vapor, and nitrogen dioxide. Next is the hypergolic fuel. Its emissions are carbon dioxide, water vapor, soot, sulfur containing compounds, and nitrogen oxide. The RP1 or the Kerolux, its emissions are carbon dioxide, water vapor, nitrogen oxide, carbon soot, carbon monoxide, and sulfur compounds. And the last and least harmful to the environment rocket engine is hydrogen or hydrolox. And its emissions are just water vapor and nitrogen oxide. What is our solution? We aim to use better engines and gases for lesser environmental impact and more efficiency. The RS-25 ran on hydrogen and liquid oxygen. The Delta IV, which is the Ariane 5's core engine, and the Centaur upper stage also ran on hydrogen. Hydrogen is probably the cleanest burning fuel. When you burn hydrogen with oxygen, you literally just get water vapor. But there is a trace amount of nitrogen oxides. While the vehicle is in the troposphere as an after-burning effect of the hot flame coming in contact with the air, literally all rocket engines will do this to a certain degree when in troposphere. The Hydrolox is the best found rocket system yet compared to all others in terms of environment. It produces minimum pollution and protects the ozone layer. However, the subproduct of nitrogen oxide in small amounts might affect the local vegetation. Thank you for listening to our presentation. We hope you have a wonderful day.